Symptoms of low back pain. Sometimes we feel dull and achy pain. This is because of some sudden movement and because of some range we are getting this achy pain in back. Sometimes we are feeling sharp stubborn pain that is because of muscle injury or nerve injury or nerve compression. Third is radiating pain. Radiating pain we are feeling. It is like it is starting from back to your leg or your knee. So this is cause for some nerve injury or nerve compression. Then sometimes we are feeling limited mobility. Because of limited mobility, we are feeling that low back pain. Some particular muscle is having stiffness, so we are feeling difficulty while twisting that movement or bending. That time we are feeling that movement pain. Sometimes patient used to feel numbness and tingling sensation in low back or sometime in leg and calf area. That is also because of nerve injury or some nerve is involved or compression is there. That's why patient used to feel numbness and tingling sensation. Some patient used to feel that pain in resting periods also. So for that we can use some ice or heat therapy or some electrotherapy like TENS or IFT for particular muscles or particular nerve. Or we can manage our pain while medicine also, while physiotherapy also, or sometimes we can go for chiro also. But chiro can all help you for all the condition. If some nerve injury or disc bulge is there, so we cannot go for chiropractic. We can go for physiotherapy and we can take session from physiotherapist. So for that, the physiotherapist can help you for exercise. They can guide you for particular muscle or they can strengthen your particular muscles for improve your muscle power. And if some disc bulge or some nerve radiating pain is there, they can manage with that pain with electrotherapy and some exercises, and they can provide you some modalities which you can use for your low back pain. And we need to strengthen our muscle, so particular muscle will help you to get rid of that pain. We can do our daily activity after that and we can go for our daily routine.